Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be doing a review of Namecheap.com's services. So, whether you're a beginner or an advanced website developer, this one's for you. We'll be discussing some of the pros and cons of using their services, so keep watching to find out if Namecheap.com is the right fit for you. Pros. Firstly, let's start with the pros. #1. Affordable domain prices. You can find some great domain prices on Namecheap.com, which is perfect if you're on a budget. 2. Easy domain management. Namecheap's easy-to-use platform makes it simple to manage your domain, for first-timers or experienced users. 3. Special features. Namecheap comes with some unique features like dynamic DNS, free personalized email, URL forwarding and privacy protection which provide added security. Cons. Now, let's talk about some of the cons. #1. Confusing user interface. Although the platform is generally user-friendly, some first-timers can find the user interface a bit confusing. 2. Customer support. Namecheap.com has 24/7 support, but some people have complained that the response can be slow. 3. Hosting services. While Namecheap does offer hosting services, it may not hold up to expectations, especially for larger websites that require heavier traffic. Overall, Namecheap.com has a lot of great features and benefits for those looking for cost-effective domain name solutions. Despite some of the cons, we recommend it as a great option for beginners or people looking for budget-friendly website solutions. That's it for today's video. If you want to hear more great reviews like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, so you don't miss any future content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.